Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your device supports Lightning multi-window and has the required system version. This prevents surprises later. Open the first app you want to use, then bring up the dock or app switcher to select a second app. Once you drag or choose the second app into position, make sure you select Split View versus Slide Over depending on the layout you need. This gets both apps visible and ready for the work you're about to do. Once both apps are active, adjust the divider to allocate space. Choose 1/2, 1/3, or a custom ratio so content is readable and interactive. You can drag items directly between windows when supported. This is faster than toggling apps. Make sure to enable the keyboard or an external input device when typing, and lock orientation if you want a stable layout. These controls are how you tailor the environment for productivity. Finish your multitasking by closing one pane or snapping apps back to a single view to free resources. This prevents background battery drain. If an app freezes, force close it and relaunch the multi-window session. That usually clears transient glitches. Make sure to update the OS and apps if layouts keep resetting. Updates fix compatibility bugs. Keep these steps in mind so you can complete tasks smoothly and recover quickly when something doesn't behave as expected.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.